Welcome back again, guys. This is Candy Empress.
I give thanks to life and down to look round. The movie I name, All Up a Stress.
So you see all of the people them will have the stress and they hold up it. Me I beg you no put it down. It no make it no work out. Hear me now. Hear me, my families. Me and a friend, we are family and me love you now. Don't take up no stress put on your head. Because we mad you know. One love every time. Please remember to subscribe, like, leave a comment and share. Respectful comment. No disrespect comment, you know. Chum man, I want to know. No, no, so Candy Empress love you already. One love.
Yeah, I remember what old people used to say. Don't fall off again. Don't fall off again. I remember what old people used to say. Don't fall off again. Don't fall off again. Me want you better listen. You better listen. Listen, God, damn, I find you missing. Friend, and tell you when them act. And any tick off the clock. When time catch up on them and them get shot, they ain't coming back. Some of them friends are better than your enemy. Check them energy. And that's just one scenario. But life ain't no game. And ain't no merry-go-round. So don't fall off again. Don't fall off again. I remember when old people used to say to me, don't fall off again. Don't fall off again. I learned the hard way. It's the best performance of my life. Feel like I was rocking on Broadway. I learned the hard way. 3 years beyond bars. 3 years beyond bars. And the war in there and I got a few scars. But when I touch back road, my girlfriend changed the code. She have a child with my friend who set me up in the beginning to get my girl in the end. Then he replayed to me what old people used to say. Don't fall off again. Don't fall off again. Don't fall off again. Yeah, we got to stick to family. Now have to be blood related, but a family, no friend to me. Now don't fall off again. We don't.
Look good, man. The place all the one look good. Life for the yard to beat up. Hello. Open the door here. You don't look bad.
Afternoon. I know say on the road my dog go so I lock up, but I don't say I come here today.
That means me just on time.
Yeah, on the road I will get one money card.
When we just rent to the place, what may I discuss about?
We discuss say I want to rent on the
On
road.
time. Okay. So why you hold 3 months rent and you don't say nothing to me?
Things kinda slow now and me have one emergency where they come up other day and I have to take care of it and stuff
So
like
me
that.
and mind reader mother know that? Why you never call and say it to me? Me cannot know that. Me I look for my money. So that's why me come on your yard. Cause if you did talk to me as bad as me be, and I want my money, cause me have other things to take care of, you know. Me wouldn't come to you. But you know, say nothing at all to me, it's like you dodge me out.
Sister, me out that's when I don't do your business. Me out just here.
Alright.
My sister. So me do my wait point out.
Okay. So it's like you dodge me out. Why problem? Why you never call me phone and talk to me? You don't have no phone
I
neither?
don't have no credit.
You don't have no credit? Alright. You don't want to go down in that such a details. Anyway, when I think you can give me money?
But next week.
Next week, what time? A time me go by and date.
Alright, next week Tuesday.
What time? Are you come check me with it or me if you come to you?
Go and check me next week Tuesday. Check me by 2 o'clock.
You sure? Okay, so I give you another week.
Yeah.
Alright then. Okay.
Well, no, you say I do it for you.
Me no know what you mean.
Just ask if you have no plans for your side there or not, because I know I'm kind of stressed out as me and tell you. All the things want to work and certain things me want or know that need me not have years yet. You understand what I say? Yeah, so kind of stress me out, kind of puzzle me now and career.
Oh. No, so today I'm day off, I really have nothing to do. Work part now.
So when I come like me start, you understand? Like every word I go look is like I know. It's like that me I get your answer. Alright, we full, alright, I don't need no more workers as yet. But see my on TV them I can get by more fun. So I'm look just a ointment and them something right now. I'm stressed out, to tell you the truth. Like nothing not go well for me at all.
Oh, you don't have to worry about the fan and the TV. Make sure I can get one stills. Stop worry yourself. I just want to get one work right now. Just pray to God so everything will work out for you good.
Hope so. Really appreciate you say you're gonna make me get the fun on the TV. That is really wonderful. You understand, because to hear that coming from a woman is really unbelievable. But as I say, I gotta do it. Well, me have faith in you. And all what me get to work so because that's wonderful. You understand? More I can help out with certain things too, and me can do that because low on funds and you know.
Yeah.
So really appreciate it.
Alright, anything for you. Just pray so you get your work too. And but as me say, faithful women don't the same way. You just have to deal with them. I just say stay right now. I mean, we can't do nothing else.
I really appreciate what you do for me, you know, and I'm really happy say me have somebody like you. You understand? But anyways, me I go up on the road now and see if me can get a job in the mineral and see if me can, you know, in a little hustling, see if me can go try a little thing. So I'll go up on the road so a little more before me come back.
Alright.
Yeah, but take care till my father let you cook.
No, probably.
Alright. So me I go, you know.
Oi.
Understand,
I just say you go. Not even a hug.
right now, if you tell me frustrated, I really no time for hug right now. So later, you know. But we talk when we come back.
Anything you say?
No, no, Papa, please. Papa, the road is not going. When I go still.
Come and talk to your person. You really ask me what I want? I money make out. I come like if me not come to for my money. I'm not get it.
What's on now?
So,
It's half 5 next year. You have to go to half 5. 200 emergency, you put up and just rush. So me end up with
Bob, me have a lot of things that me had to start with, you know. Me need the money. Alright, give me. Alright, just make sure I get there soon because I need it. Alright then.
Xavian! Oh, you know there. Well, I did tell him, I go make him get it, so. Come here. What do with you? Oh, I never did done tighten up, so come. Yeah. Xavian, now come and conduct for you, you crazy? Come here. Oh, that's a timer. Alright. I'm going to go do the TV. Then I'm left it till him come. Come here. Come here, let me call him. Wait, come look off the phone. I want to surprise him. Wait. Xavian.
Hello?
What? No, I'm there. How are you do?
You know, say, I the road, I'm there, but I just left half 5 right now. I come back, I go back to my yard.
Oh. You get something to eat already?
Yeah, I'm going to get some consume from the road, you know.
Oh, alright then. I don't want my wait for you.
Alright, man.
Alright. Boy, wait, come turn on back the phone. Nice praise. Jesus. Girl can't lie down and
On down. Oh, Bill's just for Curdy. Boogie. On down. Oh, yeah. No. Hello.
hi. Oh yeah. Mama did tell us I'm gonna go get it for you.
Bye to you, man.
Here you go.
How much I pay for that?
No worry about the price.
Nice too, man. Anyways, you know, say I don't come pan with them city and want to something down there, so I don't know what they call it. So me buy this something. I just want to go normal candle, rose.
Thank
you can light
you.
it in the bathroom. You know, if you bathroom something. Yeah, but
Smell good though.
yeah, this nice too, man.
Thanks.
Thank you very much. Really appreciate it. You buy fun too. I'm gonna put you up also. Oh God. I saw on TV studio pass first, but I don't know. That one to me dirty neighbor, man. Neighbor tapping eyes now. I try to have a little conversation with my woman. Jesus. Neighbor. But anyways, as I say, I dirty nosy party over there, so you just look at the guy, you see a push away.
Oh, you know, so Patsy knows it from morning.
Yeah. So what happened?
Mm-mm.
I like it, some of them fun nice. I like fun nice. TV nice. I can watch Vampire Diaries tonight. That is wonderful. But anyways, you know something, I know man, I'm getting no job see me. I don't know what happened, man. Like my salt, I swear to God, I don't know what happened. I don't know.
Like,
Me that think about it. Me and send my higher to you know, but why that job that was hard, but me think me can work with it for a couple of days or around 2 weeks or so. You know, I really want to tell you myself, but I think me can try.
alright then. I don't know, but I can try. I know it's on hot and thing. But, yeah, boy pitney and I not say if you go out there and harsh up for yourself, but, you know, I have to do what I have to do and that's it.
good. I'm gonna try maybe tomorrow I go up on the road again and something. But anyways, I like your fan, I like your TV. Thank you for that very much. I really appreciate what you have done so far since you're here. Yeah, but I'm exhausted. You cook?
Well, you made it cook. Your food put on around this already. I love the curry from morning, so yeah, that me cook.
I'm with you, man. I really love curry, you know, because you know me don't like nothing yellow. But anyways, I'm gonna try it. Fee.
Well, me know you go love for me curry, no fret.
Well, alright, we are gonna see it.
Okay. Boy no love curry. Look pan him too. We'll come back with him plate empty.
Sister, yeah, me out of the gate, man. Yeah, man, forward. Yeah, man, yo, man, the security no friend, you know. So you forward. Because you don't want somebody to see me in the face from when the last time I come there, you want me in a while. You understand? Yeah, man. I'm there wait for you, man. I'm right at the front, that's wait for you. Right at the sign. Yeah, man, hurry up, come link me right now. Alright. Cut. Go on.
Well, I'm be work going up on me there.
You hear me say now? Me get the land where you tell me about. Me like how you look. Around me I go here now, go check in nigga again and say me make a down payment for it, but I want to look for it, test the style and see. You know? So that I do today, so I tell you, yeah man, I think me like it though.
Like how you go other way there. I could have just pick up the money from the tenant for me.
Oh, the tenant in the game money from me?
I know. I went 3 months and 2 months gone for me and she did tell me say next week Tuesday. But I collect it for me. So I go 5 now instead of 3 and 2 months gone for me. And I want the money, you know. Because I try out the house. Right now I let the man them up there work. I mean I like the people at my place, you know, when I be there, you know. So collect the money for me and carry for me.
Alright, so me do that.
I have to go back for me, yeah?
Alright, so we deal with that and check it out.
Alright.
Alright?
Yeah.
I want you.
Brother, the water bill, the light bill, the internet bill, everything just sky high. It just a blow up my head right now. Everything just high. You understand? And right now, me want to go through all of these pressure. I don't have no money. Oh, Jesus Christ.
But you stress yourself for me there to help you elevate from your stress, bro.
Yeah, you're there to elevate me from stress, but you understand? I don't like put on my burden upon nobody. You understand? They my burden and my burden alone. Me can't right now if me take money when me I take money things from right now I feel bad.
Come cut you. I don't feel alone, I feel we. We're in this together as one. So if I stress you, it will stress me.
Yo, when me I get money from the pay water bill and light bill.
As a matter of fact,
just cut off your water bill. Cut off your light bill.
If your water bill, if your water cut off, how we go bed?
It will always stay.
As a matter of fact, yes, my uncle did come down and give me $200. So what you gonna do? You gonna take this and you go pay the bills them. And the change will left me. I don't know if you want something to eat out of it, but I want to change to go back to work for a week because that's all I have.
I can't really take no, I don't really want to take no money from you.
I'm not going to take no for your answer.
Alright, but as soon as me up and running, I go pay you back here.
You don't have to pay me back.
Alright, I go down my office.
Alright.
Hi, nice lady. Can I get a minute out of your time, please? Come out to your son because it's sun hot. Come on, I cool shady. Come on, Pastor.
Where you want?
No. Anyways, you come from around here first, me I see you.
I'm not coming from here, so where you want?
So why you give me so much attitude?
Me not get attitude.
Well, me talk to you and basically you give me the attitude.
Yes, me get attitude.
Right,
What is it?
What
What
I
is it?
say,
What is it?
what me I tell her say is that, you know, me say, you know, so family I come up road, me notice and me I say, oh, you look nice and thing. So I just want to get to know you. Is that a crime?
If you know about what? Where you want to know about me? Me don't even know myself. Where your problem?
Me just want like, you know, more know you, like know you. Cause you really look nice. See, more know everything about you. If is that a problem?
Did you yesterday say you want to know me? And me see you walk foot and go down there so. Where you take me for? You think someone walk foot, man?
What do you mean?
You have a bike? You have a car?
Alright, listen. See, sometimes you can't judge a book by its cover. You understand? You understand what I say to you? Alright, you can see me walk foot and then the next minute or something different.
Sir, me not judge no book by no cover. You do not have a vehicle because if you have a vehicle, you do I walk from up the sun, I walk in the broad sun. So don't tell me no about no vehicle.
Basically,
you don't have any.
Yeah, I walk too. So that makes two of us.
Because me not none. Me I go up the road, me I go shop, I don't have any.
Alright.
As we said before, when I really talk to walk foot man. Right? But probably we can talk on this side, but yeah, you have to can match up. Understand?
No problem, you know. Match up. Well, you know, we can get from somewhere. We can get from nowhere to somewhere, so that is not really a problem. Understand?
Anyway, there's somebody me that go link. There's a come out of one relationship, so somebody me that go link up the road. So if you're serious, maybe we can talk. If you give me 150 US, if you go deal with something, so me I go link them both. So if you're serious, probably we can talk. We don't have to bother go up there, so maybe know what you want.
You said 150 US. I don't really no problem that now because if me and them I can give more, I can probably give 200. I can give 200 US or more. If you understand what I mean. Yeah, but anyways, me we can get 200 US right now.
Me know?
You want it?
Yeah,
Alright,
right now too.
I go give you, right? So you don't have to bother go check whoever you check.
Okay,
You can
thank
just
you.
go on down. Alright, anyways. Like how whatever the case may be, can I get a number?
Yeah, sure.
Alright. Thanks. So, what's your name by the way?
Mona.
Okay. You give me so much attitude.
I'm not getting attitude, brother. From me there, say me I get attitude. I'm not getting no attitude.
Anyways. Like how you say, you go check somebody and then they can give you 150 US. You can just so the way they're supposed to have it, you know. So you don't have to bother checking somebody.
Okay, no problem. Alright then, later.
Alright. I'm not full of attitude though. I'll me there. I'll just go back up.
Hello? Listen.
Hi.
Yo, you see me the first time with my sister, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. She sent me to come to the rent because right now she can't make it around here. She not call her because she try to call the phone and not get it.
I don't know what the phone is service now work well.
Oh, yeah, man. So instead of just collect it, I work me there, but my sister called me here for real.
I don't tell the number so today at Tuesday.
Yeah,
I tell
man.
her if you check me next week Tuesday, but nothing on to go on and know, you know.
But man, you look too good to not go on for you, do you know? I don't understand.
So what, when nothing on go on, you have to do with looks?
No, but I don't know. I think that you should link with the government, you know. Because maybe you could buy yourself one Pro Box. Because they could give you 2,000 a month and you put it down and after 3 year time, maybe you can buy one Pro Box. Or you buy one Pro Box you can use it when the sun is shining and then you can run a taxi.
So
you
$2
can
a
pay rent.
month
You can
for 3 years, can I buy a Pro Box? Eh?
I think so. But yeah, buy government say you can do. This one the government say you can do, you can do. You use it by the Pro Box, you run taxis, you can pay my sister rent because she need it.
So come here now, you look nice now. Come here, son, now. You afraid of me?
I'm not afraid of you, but like I use the one use me.
No, I'm not use them. I like you from the day
No,
me see you right.
listen up. I not look so handsome for you rub me down so quick. But anyway.
I like you tell look on your nose. You have nice nose and nice eyes. I look good on the beard and something.
Alright, anyway. I can help you out, you know. But I don't want to take it a habit. So I go up here, my sister, the money for you. Alright? How much month when you war?
3 months.
I go up here 2 tight. So by certain times, you go sign up for the program. So you can get a $2,000 a month. So that means that we now do this for 3 years, you know. You can, before you buy
So
this.
how long you think you can do it for?
Listen, if me went there, different story. But me ain't not there.
But
Me
we
there.
can't do. We can't do. Me like you.
Them
I
the
mean, know
edges
you
there,
like me.
them the edges there show me say you have man. But me, I mean I look for icky, me not see none. But me don't know if you man put icky down at some place where me not see.
Yeah, Jesus, I'm mad.
You don't have nobody?
Me not talk to nobody, I know. Me single, that's why I'm more.
You want to use that, you know?
Me no use her. Me like it for true.
Granny tell me say anything will pull me in too fast, go let me go. Yeah, anything will pull in too fast, go let her go. So you see I pull me in so every time.
You know, so because serious, I feel good. Someone woman
No,
look
I
at you
feel-
and blunt
yeah.
enough to tell us that they like you.
So yeah, look a man.
Me I look at you, me not look at man. You.
Alright, well, me go see if I'm really serious, but me go play the bill and I will come back one now and then and I will see. But if you're an ambitious person, I will help you out if me and you there. That means like I don't want to give you my things, you know, and then you name it, and then you shit it out, and then we not nothing for sure in the future. So if you're ambitious somebody, me work with you, because so many times people just need a chance, you know what I mean, to show the world what you can do. So I go give you the chance because you look good. You have bumper to one them something there and you are brown in. You know what I mean? And you have tattoo on chest, you know, understand though. Like how a man name you have on your man to let you. But anyway, I go pay the bill. When can I check your back? You look like a gin and loan.
When you can pay the bill?
I go pay the bill to them. That's a simple thing. I'm not a rich man, but I work very hard. I am a construction worker. I work at the hotels them. I build up a lot of hotels so I try to pull up my money. Save my money, right? So I have a money. But I don't want, you understand me? I have my bills them. I have about 5 kids. 5 baby mother. Right? So you know so them have to get them things. They have to get them schooling and this and that. So it's a good thing you work on my door, we make money. I more than want people work for me same way. You know what I'm saying? My business can get a little squeeze because you have different nations that take over the construction company in Jamaica, but what I go do? I plan to migrate when I time them. So if them come and so take over, I go somewhere to take over. I'm going to end up at China. I help build the China wall and I try put in some work as usual because I need to survive. You know what I mean? I was born a survivor. But anyway, I know say.
So you not take my number?
That's true, you know. Because I just roll up on you but I don't know if you have man. Because when I call you and tell you, say, put your number on my phone. When I call and tell you, I come there, you can't tell man to go on a better. Because if me and you there, you know, one thing I tell you, I'm very jealous. You know why me have 5 years mother? Every time they give me money like them. And to the next. And to the next. And to the next.
Me not get no money, man.
I love women who can breathe. Not only through your nose, but through the... Alright, so...
Alright.
So you have food and then we're there. Next time I come and give you money, come you can buy grocery. Because you can't there with me, I'm hungry. Alright?
Alright. Keisha, well gone. Girl, a lot of going in my life right now. Way. Yeah, see what I want to know. Let me tell you. you know, say me owe my landlady 3 months now, right? 3 months rent I owe her. Half from when nothing not go on. You know, say last week she come with her brother. And me see the man in her eyes, you know. Eyes him and something, but you know say nothing, because you know say my landlady did it and something. I tell her to check me. today for her rent. She no come. Her brother she send. You see she send her brother? Come for rent. I don't have the money. I don't even have the first rent, much less the monthly rent. I just rub him down, you see, and butter him up. Yes! Me say, Mama, love at first sight. Right now, me and the boy there. Yes, he gonna pay 2 months rent for me right now. A 2 months rent he gonna pay for me today. Yes. So me find the next one. It better than nothing. Me give me number and something. He not so cute, but he can go and he have one little handsome look. Yeah. Girl, don't worry yourself. You will know everything when the time come. I'll never have to know the man going to spend for me and I plan to give me grocery money and something. Mama later, because I sit me do right now. Because you want to know the whole of my business. I just call you to tell you one little thing in my business and you want to know everything. Alright.
I know what I'm going to tell him, say. I'm going to tell him, wake up, man. You're asleep. You want to know something to tell you, though?
What?
I was a while ago, I come and I say I go pay a bill. But I near reach to pay the bill. I know say some man drive up in a car. I couldn't see them face though because them face mask up. Man then drive up on me in a car and rob me. Rob it 200 US for give me, you know. Rob me and something, put me up on the gun point and them something there. I tell us my heart is shake right now. You see me, I'm frustrated. Not even know.
So you want to go back to pay like bill?
No, my money, I tell you, they take your money from me.
Yeah. I just save up this for your birthday, but I forgot to use it. I change $1. And it's a good thing they never hurt you and you still have life. So thankful for that. Can make them get it better, you know?
Alright, I go pay and come back.
Alright. Now go sleep.
Now that we're there now, I'm just really serious about me. I'm not sure I'm serious about you now. My idea talk, you mentioned say your mother a piece of land, what you say?
Yeah, she have piece of land. I'm more like family land. You understand? So like my cousin and sister and brother build funny and sit. But me, she give me one little
patch yourself. Alright. What am I do for you now? We're going to build you one bedroom, kitchen, bathroom, veranda, and all and living room and something. Alright. I'm sure so when man interested in a woman fi have things. What me say?
When man interested in a woman, woman fear.
Because when you do the thing, and you just start do the thing and me really feel like a long time we do the thing because you make me feel good. So me I make you feel good too. That's how you go. You can't go one way. That's all of my big mother love me, Me make them live good. 5 hours me bill already.
So this is 6-1.
This is 6-1. So them give me baby, So where you go give me?
Eh?
You give me baby too?
Yeah, man, we all get twin.
Alright, what about triplet?
I have that too.
Yeah, triplet in your family?
Eh?
Yeah, triplet in your
Yeah, man.
Alright. That sound good. That sound good. You want one? You know say we get one piece of work to deal with. Yeah, one bedroom, kitchen, bathroom, hall, veranda, and them something there. More you can look on the place and start dig out the foundation. More get the steel them drop and sand and stone and something. Yeah, more want to be like one 3 to 4 month project. We just get things done. Alright? Yeah man, starting tomorrow. Alright, right. Yeah man. So that then go start dig out manhole and well them something there. So by tomorrow everything work ground broke and everything start kick up. You understand? So how you feel about that?
Happy.
You get your own place. You understand?
I'm happy because I'm going to your sister place.
Yeah man, you can't rent house if you're your life and you have man or you go there rent house. No man, you have to have your own local place. You understand? And when I build it, the 3 people them now can't live there. As soon as they live there, the bill and they shouldn't have for them. The bill and room for them. The triplet out of your belly, then go live with you.
Jesus. Wait no man.
My baby, my pitney them live with them mother. One pitney to each mother. So the house may bill give them the room, the pitney has in one room. Right?
Oh, so man, don't reach triplet to cross at the bridge there. With your house now.
Yeah man, don't worry about that man. You know, I don't know how nobody ever take care of the market. Because you want a good looking piece of blood, girl, I tell you. When I go down the road and I walk, you say, everybody I look.
You didn't call me.
Every machine.
A bumper didn't call me, you know, here.
Bumper can't done. And you can't work it. But party what they like, you need. Yo, you see if I got a party, and the way you bubble palm in on the dance, I'm stay so. I'm stay so, my 2 jack and stone, I'm set so. Me feel good in myself. If you know, say I'm a champion, I bubble and I say so. I'm there so. You know? So, and then when they come in that night, and I'm a juice, and we go out on a bed here, you deserve a house.
Why if you want them could attack in here?
So, after that now, we figure out anything else. So anyway, what we are there now? Go up on the road, go celebrate. Go celebrate right now. We put on my favorite glass, and we go celebrate. Where we go?
Well, we find somewhere up on the hill
Anyway, can celebrate. We get a bottle of champagne and sitting there. Alright?
So, where's your shirt?
And now, stop at the store and buy one shirt.
Right, come on.
Because we're not on time. You never wash today. You wash today?
No.
Javon, me ready for go work, I want to go spray.
No, they're not coming back tonight.
I don't know, I probably had a double today. But if I know, I'm call you.
Alright.
Later.
Be safe here.
You too.
Take your time on the road, man. Don't rush your work.
As always. Alright, later. And keep the place good.
Hello? Yeah. What going? Where I do? Oh. You can't come check me over my head. I'm alone there. Yeah. Alright, they are replying here. Okay. Alright, my voice note, wait. Wait. You know, so when, no, me not go there here today, though. You understand? Me know you not too long ago I left, but me not go there here today, here. Me not go there yet at all. So call me before you come, yeah? Alright. Okay. Now wait, man. Who that? May I come? Oh, he stopped knock it off.
Go long have me what you say away pan.
Come in.
You about tap knock.
Reach fast, sir.
Yes, what happen?
Everything good? No, nothing. Alright, I can do now. Jesus,
So we are going so far?
Oh, sit down. What can you read that from your
Cut my clothes.
Me try to see your front.
Cause my clothes, me wear, me want wear.
Alright, anyways. Where the pan?
Me not depend on where you depend.
Today I go and come see and so on. I say, me alone them come. Anyways, you know, so what me want to tell us is that you know, say me have one chick though. Yes, but we not really serious like that. You understand what I mean?
So yeah, why you never tell me that before you make me come here yard?
But listen,
You not live?
No, she go and come. She go and come. She not
I
there.
think she come now.
She go and work. I'm a text him and say me not there yet. So he call me back and say she come here and go no. I want to come and be, but I don't really want to serious like that. And I'll come back, so just go on.
Where pan come?
Sit tight in.
You can't all hot. Hurry up. Where is this along, man?
Watch probably put there.
True.
Sorry about that. Something
How long you take?
Something we go check on. So where's it now?
Where you up to in a day?
No, anything you're up to, you're up to.
I ask you first, man, so what you up to?
Me say anything you're up to, I'm up to it. So where you up to?
We just chill back. Today, you say you wanna come here today.
Well, me say she not come here today now. Me say she not come here for now. As me I say anything you want to do, it's fine with me.
So, come.
Me know where the fire your mind, you know.
What about mine?
Me know the fire your mind.
So if you know the mine, come now.
Then, alright.
You sure?
Yeah.
Alright, no
You're gonna get a rookie to this thing.
Never seen me a rookie to this
Put on
thing.
1 2 hours before babes come in.
Devin.
Wait now.
How are this? Devin. How are this? How are you? How are you? What you are doing in my place? How is she?
You know, so still is. You remember that little chick something that me there tell about?
How she this? Never said she not come today. Never said she there work.
Well, miss,
She come back
you
so
not get
quick.
the voice note, sir?
Which voice note?
Oh, you not get the voice note. Me there tell us something never there.
How are you? Devin, me now. You're not drama yourself. I got my yard.
Oi, you have to go choose. Come in and know how I come across the woman under shade pan you.
Alright.
Alright.
Yeah, between me and her, yeah. Honestly, I kind of think make up my mind. Zin? I kind of think me go with she. Yeah.
You want to tell me say after everything me do for you, after I want the money me spend on you, me buy TV and fan gear you put woman over me, that the maga piece of teeth the boy? I see you stay? You know what? Me did not go bad, me did not go shed no air water in front of you. Guess what? You can't keep them coming.
Mama, right now, as I can see, yeah, mom, alright, your fault and your child and all that, you understand, but your time don't know, your time expire, you understand? So I just time for you, so for your time kind of over, you know, so I just time for you to take yourself out of the picture.
Yes, girl, I mean the boy want.
I'm paying no mind, babes. I just waste of time and waste of air and waste of oxygen.
You never come out and finish what we are doing, sure. And she buy TV and fan give you?
I don't really say buy TV and fan, but I didn't want to look how you made. You understand? So if I just use out the money.
So the money when you give me pan the she give you?
Man, then the girl don't know all US. I understand? All US. But make sure you go and she can finish already. I don't can't interrupt.
So me a babes.
I'm going to see you on your phone for when that happen.
The phone mash up, brother.
The phone mash up?
Yeah.
What's it? How you mash up? How you manage to mash up it?
I don't know. I left in the region and
so where you get phone
work.
from?
Eh?
Where you get phone from?
When I get phone from, I have to go buy more phone, more iPhone.
What?
My iPhone, more.
Irene, matter of fact, where may I get iPhone money from?
No, but I have to go get it, can I go and give it today?
Bills, I may have all of things to do. I don't have time for waste no money on phone. You know, say one normal, simple phone, but iPhone. That the money I take by iPhone because I take it to all of things, you know. If you don't notice, I know you know that.
Evian, we are talking about a business father, and I'm nothing for doing me. I say I want the iPhone, and I'm going to give me the iPhone. Remember the first time I meet me out there, sir? I tell you it's expensive, yes. I spend on my body. Want the iPhone.
You're telling me that, yes, but yeah, if you understand. Alright, anyways, I'm going to try and see if I can. I'm going to try either I have to go. The only money I have, I feel like bill and one bag or so. So I go kind of use it and then see if I can get. Wait, stop. Matter of fact, yeah. Sorry about that. Anyways, you know me I said to you, I really want to help you with the iPhone, I understand, but I can't use the bill money. I can't use the money for the light bill, water bill, and one bag or something. If you just buy one like iPhone, I can't. I want to do it, but I can't do it.
So I get the phone. How may I get the phone?
Well, as I said, yeah, now get the phone because I'm not going to use the money and buy the phone.
You mean I'm now get the phone? I'm going to use it. I want a phone, I want an iPhone.
You can't use the same phone to
My dog.
Listen, you know, say one look Android, I can say one buy one 10 grand phone and
hey.
one 50,000 phone. You
want, you want to get Android?
You want 100,000 phone?
Sir, I want the iPhone today and argument done.
I'm sorry, but I can't get the phone for you. No, I can't do it. Honestly, bro, I can't use the friggin' bill money and frig it up like that, bro. No. You understand? So just call it a day and I get one cheap phone.
Hey, I know what cheap phone. iPhone 1, I'm getting iPhone, I'm leaving.
Just because I can't get iPhone?
An iPhone, I want. I don't want an Android. Argument done. You not give me the iPhone, I got my business. I'm come out to your house too.
Alright, what you know, relax the money and move so fast. I'm going to get the iPhone for you, see?
You say now use your business money buy the iPhone, so why you going to get the iPhone?
I'm using business money. I get the iPhone, don't worry about the money.
Alright, I'm there with a pie, so if I'm coming with the iPhone.
Jeez, I'm for the move, so mama. I saw come back.
What? I mean, I get iPhone. I know what that. No Android.
Come back. Come here. Me there. What's going between you and my brother?
What do you mean by what going between you and your brother?
I like when I see two on our grounds up, you know, like you have quarantine and try look some. You know?
Listen what I say now. Listen what I say. Whatever going between me and your brother, that don't have nothing to do with you. It don't have nothing to do with you. And your
I
brother.
never call if you no argument with you, I just tell you say you're going like you're quarantine and you look some grounds, that you have short circuit. What going between you and my brother, you don't tell me about that now, no, you know, like a warrior look.
Alright, let me answer your question. Me and your brother dead. We dead. Intimately we dead.
Well, you know I say. Hey! Boy, belly I get too big. Anyway, you see that brother the way you see me with? I'm my favorite brother. And I don't like what I go on. I don't like him, I don't like how you have grown up yourself like you're crying. I don't like it none tall. Because some things stink a road. You see my brother name? That is the reason why I come and ask you.
I hear what I say. You see what, as I tell you before, whatever is going on between me and your brother, it don't have nothing to do with you. And your brother. I watch your brother. You know this is who your brother want there with your brother.
You don't understand, you know? You don't understand. Girl, I don't look my brother. Me no family wrong. But I'm my brother, so any woman in talk to, it concern me. It have something to do with me. Because me have to know the type of woman, what kind of woman, how you tan, whether you clean, you nasty, or you dirty, or whatever. I don't know if I can wash, cook and clean. I don't want my brother to take up no little careless girl. That's why I stop you. I don't want my brother to take up no woman and carry come on my yard, come up in my couch, when I like dead and can't cook. Okay, because you're ready to open up your mouth for me like somebody call you a cook. Girl, me ain't in nothing.
So me answer something.
You're just my tenant.
And that's true. Me soon be a tenant. You never know your brother not tell her. So me have to move out.
No, me never know, but me glad. Thank you, Jesus, because nobody won't hold me. Because the amount of people where they ask me if me not have no room, me not have no room. And take us on tired by the people today when I like parent. I don't know if you say to people them.
The business where you want to say, me not argue with you. Just know say.
No, me ain't not quarreling, you know. Me ain't not quarrel. Me just see and they ask about my brother. Me not quarrel with you. Me just want to find out say, my brother have a good woman. Because I don't want my brother to take up no crosses woman, you know, because someone know
so
man a Jezebel.
call me?
No, you know, I just thought me a talk, you know, normal. Me ain't not cause. Me just say someone know woman a Jezebel. You know, have Lucifer spirit in now, you know, and my brother a real Rasta man and he not chat to idiot girl. So, me just want to know, say, girl like you not there with my brother. Me no want you not nothing with my brother, I swear to God. Me not curse you, me just tell you the truth, say, woman like uno, not even woman, girl like uno. I don't want to know there with my brother. I don't tell him like, I don't want to know making locks and drop out and no head, you know, because I don't salt. I don't need little sugar man, go and see, go be there some river or something. I don't want to know, no. I don't want woman like you to do with my brother.
Big man, you're lucky to wake up on the right side of the bed this morning.
I couldn't see my name. I don't know a long time.
Big man for you. Else me I tell her say.
Remember say you live in my house. So careful how you
Listen to
talk.
me, if you want to give me notice, I can give me notice. Because a big house, me are going now. Bigger than your house.
Oh, you're not fair.
Yes.
Why?
Well, you don't know other than you, you know. Me not argue with you, so you can go and talk. Because your brother done in my life already. So if he burn you, hush.
It not burn me. It not burn me. Me just not like when my brother take up the kill this girl. Because when you have one already, you know. And you not resemble me. I wonder for your family. My brother went there with and come back on there with the next family. Look here. Hey. Why is something wrong? You can ask one question?
Go ahead.
Bumper. I 1 year and a half now you're in my house. But me no say I will be open. Cause my brother not go for any girl. You look like your hobby my brother.
Hello. Me and your brother love is love at first sight. In moment. Your brother see me. He love me off. And me love him off too.
I lie.
So me don't know why you make that be a problem.
And me go tell you something Bumper. Me not tell no lie now. I know you want love my brother you know. All of the girl them like Uno. We broke. Always love my brother can you have money.
But me not love your brother for no money.
So me know the gold digger people them always wear some kind of thing on their head. Tie around their head and sit in a some, you know, flip-flop slippers and jeans skirt. Then the kind of girl they love talk to them brother. Like something there.
You see, because I know what I want out of life, me not gonna argue with you. And me not gonna argue with you if you care about me name to your brother for tell life for me and mash up my plans on me have. Have a nice day.
You look pretty but your character dirty if you stop over here. Me I go find out. Me I go down on my knee and pray and read my Bible and find out. Me I tell God to show me one sign. Because I want to know if I hobby you over my brother. Because my brother don't go for girls like you. Me not tell no lie.
Yes, God, me come up and go round following and stuff. I go on that too. Favor my granny Dutch pot. When this is money, I favor my granny Dutch pot.
Come here now, you move so. You realize me not see you. Me there so I go normal, so that means.
Well, I don't see me, so why you stop me?
Come here. Pan a big man, come on.
Me not wear no obligation.
Come here. Mama, you move so.
Come on, wear no obligation.
You move so.
I want.
Listen, man, I just want to say yo. My mom's are there again now.
That sounds like a young mom's business.
But actually, I don't really bore me on our mom's business. But that's why I can say yo. My mom's if you know so. You know we can't talk back and go and get to know about each other again. What you mean no?
After me take my hard working money and mine you buy TV, fan and everything for you feel comfortable in your yard. You put that over me?
Listen to me. Talk to me. Mama, you have to know all this. Me and I might not there, but you can't classify as hard this. As
oh, after you there at the house and you see me and you sit down on bed with your something where you call thing. And you go chat me with she. You never remember all of them word the way you call me. You and she.
My girl, listen to
that
me.
And that me
watch
say.
Watch man, listen to me now. It's not like say yo, Ray, a choice. You understand? Me just have to tell you say yo, make me three if we can Ray. You see, I make a big deal out of that thing like, how do you youth? Relax man, remember say me and you did it from day one and you're busy about some local girl from somewhere I don't know where she's from, but anyways, they say thing that me say yo rule. You see main thing me say a law, so we just work off of the law, you understand?
It's just true me did love you. Me go give you a second chance, but don't frig up. Anyways, rain or fall, I'm going to come up and go home.
You know, I'm glad to say you come to your right senses because you look like you're gone mad. But anyways, I'll just say yo, I wish for your life still.
Up the road.
I would want to come check you any time, you know. Because I don't want to wait up there, you know. And you're like, you're the house I closest also. You're going to your house now. Lead the way, you know.
Okay.
When you want me, I will follow you. You shall lead and I follow. Oh, it's nice, though.
What?
I mean, so it's nice. Something.
Thank you.
So, what otherwise?
Mm-hmm.
So you elevate up a little bit and something.
After man couldn't show me out of the house, I'm going to go home. Is that crazy?
It's not about homeless or anything. I understand we get past that already and something. So anyways, you're not more easy bathroom. Mama, listen to me. We've been past that, you understand?
Who
Our
is
bathroom
we?
is listen up. A bathroom is just a bathroom, so I don't see where you kill up yourself so far. You understand?
You make me piss up. My ball straight through. You know, call my phone and say, John Kirk, what going? No, thank you.
Man, tell me, say, I'm going to use the bathroom because...
You should have lost. I don't want you. You know, I should have called my friend. Tell her to come link me. Girl. What going? Where they? Why you calling me? Up my apartment. Alright, anytime I reach, me I go sleep. Alright. Later. Cool. Xavian! You don't use the bathroom yet. Me can't go sleep.
Let me say asleep. This a girl ain't asleep. Watch her. Some big old what this girl every day sleep. Oi! Get up, man. I want to look so tired.
Girl, work tired me out.
Me come on now, so.
It's alright. I'm going.
You there? You say me fi call link you. So what happen?
A piece of jam.
So me can't smile, so.
You don't want to know, say, such man tap me on the road and they don't tell me how.
So me can't smile?
Then wait no, go tell me about how him and that the girl they fall out and if he give him a second chance. Hey, I'm not give him that the second chance, but true he have me in a rain. But just tell him alright.
I know you're not sleep, man. I try to see me and come make it like I sleep. Anyways, I go up on the road a while ago and I left and I go get the iPhone for your phone and everything.
So give me that. Thank you. Look nice though. Where you get it from?
Buy. I think I pick up it.
Thank you. If I go over now still, you know.
Just thank you.
So what if you want me if you say? Thank you, I did want. You give me.
Just thank you, nothing else.
So what if you want? But why if you want? Me get what you want, you know.
So we can't get what me want.
What you want? What you want?
No, look, love you, nothing.
Me not the time for that. Me go my business later.
Where you go?
I'm going home.
Second chance way.
I don't understand what I say.
The boy Xavian. Me I come home. Cause I come home from work and go shop and I come back. And he see me and go talk about how come here. So me I wonder what kind of obligation more this is somebody here.
You do like you don't want him back.
Girl.
Just watch your brush.
Well,
Smile.
me like him same way, but how we deal with the matter in front of the girl there, it kinda
let me change my mind a little.
So what you plan for do? You plan for take him back?
Why? I'm not sure about that one.
Me I did a call a phone before me reach over here. Me not get a phone. Where your phone?
My phone up on the bed. Get up. I probably slump on it.
Me not slump on your phone.
So, you know, so me and Xavier did over here.
The ex did over here. I do.
Because it rain did have come down and he said for me outside near his house. Anyways, how can you look if he take up you by mistake?
How could he take up your phone by mistake?
Because I want like it he have, so probably his phone did put on beside him and he... I don't know my phone there, me and him alone did there.
You and him alone did there. I don't know which part of your phone there.
He said I go bathroom and I go down and go sleep.
You know say you're mad somebody do? A good old thief, boy thief your phone.
Jesus Christ.
You not have no sense.
And I'm a business phone that you know girl, come on. Me have to go
Come
over
lead the
there
way,
right
come, you
now.
don't know which part you live.
Jesus Christ.
You can't believe you just asleep, left your ex in here and asleep. Mad woman.
Alright.
You want me to? Come just pull up your door, yeah.
Xavier! Hey boy!
You come on. Excuse me.
Girl, excuse me, can I stop on that place? You ask me for. You know, you're Xavier's girlfriend, or so-called ex. But, me and him did in my yard, and my phone go missing. And me and him alone did today. So come and stop phone, I can't look like a phone.
Listen to me now. Can we please look at it? Just look at it. You're not forgiving me now. Just look, spin it.
Turn it on.
Girl. See the girl, see your picture there. You not even take off your picture of it.
What your problem? Where come
Girl, take your phone.
Hey,
Your
your
man
man thief my
thief
phone
my phone.
and carry phone.
Oh, hello,
Here.
hello,
Are you so
First
bad?
things, my man is not a thief. Second thing, he using money when he pay for in things in my house. And buy me the phone, it's not your phone.
You know how your
Like
man
what
get
I'm
the phone
feeling.
If you don't even know your man go over my friend yard, still a link up with her and thief her phone can come give you.
You did it?
Girl, take your phone, it just not weird.
Yeah, you did anything before. But wait, you did a chat.
You
No,
can't
me
see
never did
clear,
every friend
you have
tell
the
me.
picture there, funny. Oh, what's if you buy the phone? I will start go take a picture of an individual and post.
That's why your phone and take him and take a long chat.
Okay. How are the girls?
Hello.
Hi.
Not tomorrow, you're in, do you know? But I really don't me come out. See the place because they promised to change the roofing and put on some paint on the place. So it take too long to pay your rent a month time, you know. Me look like me have to go give you notice.
Woman.
And all of them something they
So sorry.
And since you come here, all of these things they happen to your house, you know, there's something they never up there, so them go they rotten and they want change.
So I'm here at the about them?
So me go but tomorrow.
No.
Tomorrow you give me the money.
You know, say Let me tell you something.
When you don't take care of people place and you rotten down.
You know, I not like with it. Are you all board them were easy for rat? Watch it. What about that mean for take care of? That is not my duty for take care of nothing, you know.
Alright, me not come to quarrel with you, but when you just come here, you didn't have any problem to stay here. You never say you did rotten and you never say you did new. You just moving. You never have no way fit and navigate place to stay. Me I rent it cheaper than the rest of tenant them.
You're not African me notice. Because guess what? You see your brother, what you have? He might move me from your so. He might move me out of your place. You understand what I say to you?
Me hear you.
So you don't need to give me notice. You don't have to. What the fuck? Me don't even feel like paying no money. And I say no money, me don't feel like paying no money. Because guess what? Remember say you still have a month in the back for me, you know. And me I move up very, very soon because guess what? The only thing left in my place so your brother do for me is to tile the place. The door and everything put on already. So guess what? Me don't even feel like paying no money. You come and start to argue with me about board or rotten. If you didn't maintain the place and you get the rent, no matter how late you get the rent, the place will look so.
Me are taking everything where I say. And you notice, every time I come to you, I come in a peace.
Well, I don't want peace, I want
problem. What kind of tenant you be though? Who want you them place to stay? I don't mind you move, but I want to know how my brother Bill house give you. And what could have caused this, Jesus? It's a horse and crosses. Girl, you saying something, brother?
Me not do nothing to your brother. Nothing me not do to your brother. Lady, although your place come, go on now, your time expire.
So you run me out and I want to pay?
Your time expire. Me a pay rent for your son, you know.
Hey.
I don't owe you because tomorrow not come yet. Excuse, lady. Excuse.
Call the police. Call the police. Because I want to know if you have right to send me out of my own place and me buy this land and me build the house.
Mama,
me just rent it.
I rent me the place. So it is mine until me ready for life.
So me not have no right here, so?
You not have no right here, so right now, no rent time yet. And I mean, see you come with no man to fix up the place. So what right you have to come here, so you come turn up on my door with you?
If you win the pay your rent on time, the place would have fixed. And if you notice when me just come to check up on the place, not you. And it's like, to my brother, they go take you out of my place and put you in a theme place. Because the first day I get one good man in your whole life, so I see you frightened.
Yes.
I see you frightened.
Yes.
Never see come see. So I want my brother money gold digger. But two, me no tracing video. Guess what?
I smart, because every material where your brother buy a hardware and my name in it. Come, go on, lady. Go on.
Hello? You have a right for no one answer. You have a right for no one answer the phone. You have a right for no one answer the phone. No man, my brother, I really you this? It look like I want wrong number me they call, wrong somebody. Because all you fi take your money. Where you work so hard for and sometimes me you all come to for money and go bill house the girl. Where am my tenant, make she come and rank with me. I can't tell me the tiling part left. I say make a girl use you. No sir.
No, I'm not like that, man.
What you mean nothing like that? Like seriously? Where you know this girl from?
When they said because we will collect the money from her, man, at the time then we meet her. But she's not a bad girl. You know, misunderstood some like that.
And girl tell me, oh, you're an idiot and one if I sit, eh? Wait, let me take you off a speaker. What you say now? Come in and understand you. Or you just come meet woman and just the bill house girl so. Me not understand. Me I say she a woman, she not even a woman. That's only could piss and tail girl. You a bill house and I waste money on them. Really? I mean she's a nice girl and she's not who she is. Like really? Like seriously? Really? No, me not understand. Anyway, you're a big man, me just brother and sister. And me just tell yourself to make sure what you do. Because I know every girl you see out the road want no man. Woman some of them love. And guess what no? They name out the man their money and use them and hit them for idiots. So no? But I make a girl trick you. And that me I tell her everything good. Yeah? Check me just go and check around this up on the house because I did one paint it as I did tell you the other day say some of the board them want change and want paint up here and sitting. So true me know say tomorrow I ring you me just go mention it to her if you hear she a go on. And then the kind of girl they want.
What are you tell see I'll answer about me seeing the seal? What are you tell me see now my phone and me see your woman or your ex woman on road with my phone? Thief. No tell me so you is a thief.
Understand me not a time for that. Understand me not see we come call me names of a mama.
Because you see I have my phone and you make you look like me an idiot. You never come on me yard.
Listen. Listen. Don't make that happen. Don't call me name like that.
I know that.
Understand? So you can please back to you.
You is a thief.
Come on, there ain't no argument. You get back your phone and that's it. That's all.
And if you hold up your stress, who call you to?
Your love costs too much, honestly.
Vivian, the phone is your cat. Bye bye. The phone is your cat.
Yeah, bye. How are you?
Your ex, the one with the catching at the house.
Oh God.
Fight never take the phone. I say I fear phone and you go to the yard. How are
you? Can you hear me good? You said to me say you really full of stress and one bag of something. So yeah, ba. Alright, at first me tell her say you have the money. The only money me have to do whatever the case may be. You insist, right? So if me not have no money, and you want to wait till me.
I never seen a got to you.
Listen, me and the TV, really TV, I'm just buy the idea. I understand, but listen to me.
B!
Yeah, babe.
A while ago when I come in, you know, the way I was so into you, right? I not get no time to talk to you. And we just jump straight into the bed. You know what I mean? So, I say something to you pertaining to my sister call me today and say some things, you know what I mean? Say me this and me a fool and very.
Me tell your sister say you're a fool. I lie your sister that tell pa me. Me and I have that the conversation there. The only thing I remember I tell her is that I love you. And I'm me and you in this together. Me not tell her nothing like that. I tell her not tell no lie pa me.
Me not some believer, you know. Because I know that she well overprotected, protective over me smartly. You know what I mean? Because me are one brother. You know, and she tell me say a lot of girls my player, but I don't see player thing in her. You know what I mean? So different fact, don't have for that man. So one of them say want to run a yard now. How much time for buy now? Because if you get a piece of money coming in now, I want buy the tile and make it place and tile out. But I have to see what I go on tomorrow still, because I have some good things to deal with. Alright? So I see what I go on tomorrow.
Yeah, man, enough for she, cause right now you talk about her and she drain my energy. But we talked to the tailman today, right? And when I tell me is he might charge 500,000 for tile the place. Plus me I figure get like 400,000 for buy the tile them. Like all of the tile them for bathroom, kitchen and everything.
But yeah, man, so tomorrow I will get back to you because like I have a piece of money I come in. Yeah, but we gotta figure it out. Right? Because we night together. So we are out the door there. Yeah, man, so by tomorrow we can deal with that. So we out the door do differently.
You know what I'm saying? I'm mother they call me. So they live on the phone with her.
So you have to go out the door and the mother call her?
No.
I show me they asleep and then I wake me up.
She doesn't sleep, man.
Oh. Because I kind of beat out for real because I work all the thing I do to the on the road and then you come give me one piece of love in the way. I tell you. So we not cook tonight, you know?
No, we're not tonight. I'm
So-
in like cooking mood right now.
We go try go down and we go try have dinner when I look up place there. We can go down a Sweet Spice. You know, grab something to eat. So don't eat there. We don't have to come up back. When we come back to come and watch some movie and like yeah, massage. I don't think more do now. We don't have no sex tonight. We don't have sex 10 minutes. Where are you today? That's enough. We can't do nobody now. Because we can't work and I come work in the evening and then we have to plan for work back in the later, you know. If that's tomorrow.
That's true. So it's a good idea and something. So I'll get ready and something.
I'll get ready. When I'm done, I come while I bathe and wash off again.
Alright.
Oh boy, child though. It's since me there with your boy, I put on all my belly I get fat. I good loving, you know. I show you care for me. I
True, man.
I don't know where you put in my pack down belly as well.
Babes. I want some really need to talk to you though.
Boa.
You hear me saying, man? You see right now things really hard, you see me? Cause when I check it out, water bill, light bill, everything just come down for me, you see me? And the work I have, it can't really do nothing, you see me? Some of the time I tell someone I'm bad because I have a whole heap of stress, I have a whole heap of things for me head, you understand what I say? So you have to just understand. You understand what I say? Water bill, light bill, internet bill. You understand? Sometimes I want to give mother money and I can't give her money because I don't have it. You understand what I say? You understand what I say?
Yeah, you're
Yeah, so when you tell me say you want an iPhone and you want this and you want that, I cannot give you. I can't give you that. You understand? Because sometimes I want to give mother money, I can't give her money because I don't have it. So if you go take up them the type of money now, figure buy your iPhone, it's not going to work. You understand? Bills and everything they pay me, so I don't have it. So when I say I don't have it, you're supposed to understand say I don't have it. You understand? The work I have, it can't really do nothing.
You can't shake me head. Nothing me you say me no hear. Cause me no know where they say about me for. I tell me this and I tell me that. I'm not listening to you. Because hear me I say. Me no stop about you about what me want you to know. You need to hold up your stress, brother. Hold up your stress, you're a man, bro. You come a ball to me and in my ears. Where all of them there for? Brother, you have a mother figure out talk about them sitting there, man. Ball to she, brother, she bring her and me bring her. Money me want, and that me want because when time me that pass me look nobody, you know. Me look nobody, money me did want. And you start me don't. Tell us you have to maintain me, brother. And you say, yeah. So basically that's what you do. You see them hot girl there? You have to maintain them, brother. If you want them, you have to maintain them. Because I didn't start talking about the hairstyle yet. The first hairstyle me want from you at $350,000. $350,000. And Avi can't give me that. If you can't give me that, it don't make no sense. You understand me?
Where's the man, listen to me. I'm here there now. So are you me have to come tell certain things. Me can't go to mother no me mother there. I'm here you there at night time. I'm here lay down at night time. And my mother now lay down that me know for sure. So any little problem I have to come to you about it. You understand?
Yeah, me hear there but me and your therapist. You need to get somebody else to see them talking to brother cause me not really interested in what you have to tell me right now, you know. I'm interested in what you have to tell me right now. Let me tell you something. You see, if you can't do what me want and what you can do for me, you better me go out there and go back to the people and where they drive the way call it now. The jelly and them car there because them man they want me and me choose you where I walk foot and you can't do nothing for me. Look at me. Look at me. None of them cheap girl, them loose girl there. Brother, when you want a girl, if you can't maintain them, brother.
But you know, I understand what you're saying. I understand. So, it's like how you see you want this, you want that. You say you want me to step up my game, I will step up my game. See? Because I'm not like you talk about different man and whatsoever the case may be. You understand? So, since that's why you with me have to go thief, if you get away you want, I that have to go happen. You alright with that?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so since that's if I step up my game, I'm going to step up my game.
Good.
Alright.
Good.
Man B, I'm going to hold up my stress. You see? I'm going to hold up my stress.
Hello, I told you already, you know. So yeah, me go get me know saying shoes pull out. I said thing with Angia. Yes. And Karina and Kayla. It's only two boy them alone. Me see the line them care for them things. But the girl don't want for them things, buy back for the one and back for the one there. Yo, someone if you go look work to you, know, man. You can't be say 5 year mother and no work. I'm not rich enough. It's a hard work to do, me have the things them, but I'm not really rich like that, man. Myself another Bill Gates and them sitting there, you know, money yet, you know. Or bold money, you know. We're not there Monday yet, man. That's a separation you, man. But anyway, I'm going to do the best we can do, though. Alright? Stress out now, man. Do not stress me out, man. I have different things I have to do, you know, man. I get a contract for there and you see it be a problem I go on in the country because China bid better than for me. Alright, anyway, me talk to you. Alright? As a contractor. Rough.
What you do here?
How you believe I wait pan because you know say give me the keys so I come in and I relax. So what's that going now? You stress, you know? Yo, see I blow down, me fear blow down. Mama, all of the people them want things I know. All of them want things I know.
That have nothing to do with me now. A matter of fact. Where money fit tally place?
So let me tell you say, everyone have money now, me have to budget you so kids them get kick off them think of who have shoes problem, have bag problem, who have bag problem, have all different sort of problem. Real.
This not going to work.
Stress and you know, say right now. I tell me I want to be mother me have to tell her a while ago. None of them now work. And the last contract me get, you know how it go. So me I wait for certain but just have some faith man and go and hold on. I still go for a keep my carry house already. All the tiling left to go up and in be.
Here one. Not even worry about the tiling, nothing. Worry about the tile.
Yeah, I can't get that me I say no, we not worry about it.
Listen what me I say.
Because we worry about another tile and we can't see us up we can't pay me to stack up my month. Rent and go and there.
Are you gonna stay here?
Me go to
listen what me I say. No worry about the tile. A 3 week now, almost a month me I wait for you. For that the money they for tile out the place. Listen, it not gonna work between me and you.
Let me see now work.
See me pack my things I'm over there so.
I mean one day if I chip you go on.
No,
I
move out.
Yeah,
You place tile already. Because guess what?
You place tile already? You win the lotto? So you win the lotto, you don't win the lotto, girl.
Stop being... Me can't take it sarcastic behavior. If me did win lotto, me would even pack things. So stop your foolishness. Listen what me I say.
So you say now the
You
money,
remember
Tyler
Tyler John?
Yeah.
I'm a man now. So him tie the place to me and me a moving.
The same Tyler huge. When me refer you to. Are you on him there now?
I'm me and him there now. Right out. So listen, me I give up the place and me don't need it no more. I move going to my place.
I just can't prank carry on, right? Where camera there? I must prank carry on. Me. You left. The man we say love so much.
Me never love you. Me never love you. You know understand? You know what is love? Me never love you. Me did take what me can get. Oh.
So you get enough for now?
Me get enough for now. So it's time for we depart now. So you carry money where you have. Take care of mine if I pitney them. They need it more than me. Me never love you for true. You didn't think me love you?
Yeah. And me I look for a ring so me
You
go
don't
find
realize that if you don't have no money, me not live down with you. You don't realize?
No, me think I'm tired because you're lazy. My sister did right. My sister
You
did
should have
right.
take your sister foolish advice. But uno see tickers, uno thing say. Tickers nice.
So you left me now, I'm stressed.
Your money done. Your money done. See, you can't go further with the house. What me I do with you? Tell me. What else me I go do with you? What else me I go do with you? What else you still have to me now? Talk to me.
I am a trade man, you know. My money will never done, car work will never done. We just going through a little glitch now in our country where most of the contracts them are not being given to Jamaicans. And I mean, I'm not want to look up plan contract money, big contract them. So I will rise again. So you sure so this you want to do?
The positive.
Reconsider.
What?
Reconsider.
Listen, this
Anyway,
is my word.
so you and John there already?
Me and John there.
And in Tyler, let's go.
Right out. So, you can't keep your key and keep your sister. Because I don't want the place. I will come back for you some things then.
So come on, they are ready when John gone out.
Come on out for y'all. Come on out for y'all.
No, because it look like you and John there long time. From me and mine, look like you and John there. From me and mine, you and John there and quiet.
The amount of your money, John, the amount of you're the one who.
That's why we keep the scan down. Sleep safe.
But come round out for yard. If you ever come round there, give you some big stone, you want that.
Well, go on, sister.
Are you fitting me?
Why you come see me at a wrong time? But I tell you, say, I never feel so defeated. After dealing with 5 different women pregnant, this one will never breed for me. She get the most out of me. You know, so the girl does pack up in things and gone. Said the Tyler. The Tyler finish style the place. And I may build the place from foundation, give money to building. From the foundation in the ground, we give him the money for building. Right? And me stress I know. And so me say me stress I can't do the tiling. She left, so she get tile off a tile place and the man tile and they know.
You know, listen, that's why that reach you.
No, because the girl said she loved me. And then I go now positive vibration. She won't go give me 3 picnic. Whereas a girl like give me 1. She won't go give me 3 one time.
She not even give you 1 yet.
No, but she promised me 3.
And you believe.
She promised me 3 picnic one time on triplet. She said she have triplet in her family. Me just have to just eject whatever for eject and the triplet go come. When the time right. But we always use protection. But he said when the time right, we go dash for protection, do a test and we go good and we go bam and chop the triplet. And me believe in her so much and so you girl look.
From the moment you meet that girl, you should have known it's a mistake. And she a gold digger. Me warn you. But you don't listen. Every minute you and her sit down and chat about me overprotective. Listen to me. You is my only brother. And me just want you to find a good woman will love you from there and not love you for what you have. Where you make the girl trick you? You don't listen to me. What you mean where you are going to do? You have to start all over again.
You see, more than take bill for your house, I have to start me house up on the land, you know. Can pay money for the land already, you know.
You just think about it?
I just say, oh, so I shall start building house, you know.
So you never know before you give her it? Hush. But it don't happen already where you go to. You have to start over again. You can't do nothing about it. That the girl they can think you give her them the money there. I use that.
Alright, I'll go up on the road. I have a dream.
Me see her on the road that chat about Sierra. One day me see her. See her up on the road, me see her up on the phone. I don't know if I want a man she dey chat to or I want her friend then. See her shake her big old backside. And this a man demand. You have to go figure out where you go do you know. Because that done gone bad already. Gone bad a man him can't come back even just start over. Get up and brush off yourself. Next time you listen to me.
I'm go up on the road have a drink because I can't turn my house. Every time I turn out, I remember. I have a drink.
Action.
Sun hot, you know? Sun hot. Come here and tell us, say, hotter than sun the boat now. What with you? I say, I don't know how people do it. But last time I see me one sexy girl. I said, take care of the girl, yeah.
Yeah, I remember.
Me take care of the girl. Build the girl one whole house for himself. As the tile goes off the tile. She left me go and there with the tile.
What have we should rock with girl?
May I tell her?
But let me ask you a question. How long you know that you start do all the opportunity for the girl?
Well, I don't know how long, you know. I know if you're a short period of time. You understand? I know if you're a short period of time, but it don't work out.
Because she gone with everything?
Everything gone.
Jesus Christ, you know my girl everything gone. So we are about it?
Right now, I don't know if you look off my sister said she cut me off, you know, because she did warn me. And I never listen.
You see, go to listen.
And no, it fall for me now. But everything good. 7 times rise.
And
7 times fall.
You look stressed out bad boy.
I tell you, and the tree hold me up.
But you have to learn.
I don't name for a man.
You have to angle your bangle, you know.
Yeah, I don't name for a man.
No, you can't do that yourself because guess what you're doing? You broke down your immune system. Hold up your stress, man. You're a man, you know. You can't make that carry down Rasta. You have to hold it up. And man up.
I have to hold up my stress?
Yes, man. Hold up your stress, man. Don't make you step on your shoulder and your head and I carry you down so. If you go down, you go down in a pit. You go down in a hole. So hold it up.
I'm stressed out, I'm stressed out, I tell you.
I see it for you.
I know it's for a man.
No, and all of that, them something wrong.
I buy one food.
Yeah, that's what
and the food did there. Ants near me and dog near me, puss near me, cow near me, goat near me.
So you're flat. Nothing at all, and let the girl wipe you out completely. No, man,
me have to go to work and I go to work and take up the hammer and the hammer job.
No.
Take up a nail job. Take up a screw gun, all it drop out of my hand, I tell you.
No man, the girl needs some good rotted Jamaican horse with it. Some good, if you get some girl for jump her backside and whip her, because you know say if you touch her, you'll get in trouble. You understand? So get some girl, or your sister a talk, you know. Your sister want to talk, you know your sister long time, I want to talk that. It's a stepper. So me I deal with it. And you're a
Alright.
good ass with him, man. She wrong. But you
Alright.
treat the girl good.
Alright.
Take
Alright.
care of yourself, man, and don't make the stress hold you down. You hear?
Alright.
Alright. I've never seen me and your auntie and nephew, man. I don't want. Hot one. It's a very hot
Yeah, so whenever you do, sometimes you're smart. Why don't you look at
Sis!
Hey!
Sis! Hold on there, hold on. Hold on, man.
What you say?
Hold on, that's something important. I just see your brother around the side of the house. Now the bed should go just behind the building. So, why you can't look at me, so man?
I mean, I wonder where you talk about which breadfruit tree I want to me, brother.
Just hold on, take your time. I'm going to tell you what I want. I see your brother. Your brother stress out. Come like him not even know it's about him there.
I mean, my brother stress out.
Your brother stress out. You remember the brown thing where your brother attacked to?
Yeah.
Alright. The girl gone with everything. The girl wipe him out to nothing. Him tell me say he can't even leave the way and stress out. Him buy food a while ago, him have to dash for the food. And you not want him, he tell me say you not want him, but him not listen.
You can't just tell me which one brother again. Wait, which one? Just there.
Round there, son.
Round there, so when I play
Go through your son. And go over to the next plaza over there. And they go run at the back. I want to say thank for the breadfruit tree. It's like all of the farm. We're weak. I said no, he can't eat.
Alright.
I'm dead serious.
Alright, wait, me I come.
Alright. Alright, go on. You see down there. And the breadfruit tree, I hold him up.
So when my brother there? Now you said, woman tell me say my brother there around here, so now me come around here, so me not see my brother.
Stress. Stress, sister, stress. Stress. Now hold up my stress. I fight up hold up my stress. So now hold up. Stress on my pocket. So now hold up. Alright.
Christ. What you what you mean you hold up your stress? What kind of stress you have for the hold up? Any stress you have you need to put it down. Where you hold up stress? If you people that carry stress, what kind of baggage that you want?
Alright.
No, I'm not alright. You have to go with your brother. I'm going to understand how comes this happen to you. Watch out. How will you get them and suppose that from?
what is name? And this is the ring where you use to engage the girl.
Yeah, I stress when I get the ring.
Stress.
Stress when I get the ring and stress gone all of money, stress gone everything. So now all of my stress.
Yeah, that's make me alright.
Yes, it's stress.
You know alright.
You see her?
Me no want to see them.
You see her?
Anything when you stress, me no want to see it. Me no want have nothing to do with it. How you take up it?
You see there, Tyler? You see there, Tyler?
My brother, you can't stay for your road. You can't stay like this. Nobody will do you like this. They must have wonder what they are really stress to take up the truth.
Stress on the bike.
No follow who you see on the bike. Think about when me I tell you say no, you can't stay on the road. You eat from morning?
Can't eat and I look for stress.
No look for nobody named stress.
So hold it up, you want hold up stress.
Nobody no want hold up stress. You don't know how you take up it. You see it.
Me a man. Man, hold up stress.
Man hold up stress.
Yeah.
No! Lie.
Auntie said to me, say hold up my stress. I'm just got my bed and hold up stress. Yeah, me and stress a fight.
You want stress a fight?
Yeah, I'm hold up stress. Stress a come, I don't know. Stress a come, I come.
No, nobody now come back to brother, come. No. Jesus Christ. I don't know, I taxi a
Sister, I found stress, sister.
No, me
Bend down, sister, I found stress.
no stress and no friend. Me not hide from nothing. Where you take up stress and I put pan for your head. About your stress. Watch out. You have to come with me. Me not let you up on the road.
So you see me?
Yeah?
You see me?
Yeah, me I see you.
You see me?
Yeah.
Let me just stress can't see me. Never point no problem. Yeah, that all of stress I know. Not the hide and stress.
So me I hide back.
Yeah.
No, come, me carry go in my car. You can't stay up on the road.
Stress in my car?
No stress no in there, no.
Put me in chum.
What?
Put me in chum.
Come on.
Girl. Good girl. Me say, I don't know nothing good. Yeah. Girl that the Rasta man me. Alright. A different premiums me upon right now, good girl. Different premiums, different keckler fish, bigger fish, he must sprat. I snap on me and look for mad. Girl, this body I'm at the man them. Yes. Man right out. This a nice clean body I'm at the man them love. You know hear what they call me? Bumper they call me. Round like an English pound, so him lucky if him want mad. This a body I'm mad the man them. You don't know what I talk? Eh. Good girl, me chat to you later.
Bumper.
What?
Okay. So are you mad, me brother?
Me mad your brother?
Are you mad, me brother? Where you say I'm mad the man them? So you mad, me brother, and take away money?
Me no mad your brother. Your brother mad himself. But
and the boss my phone about at this mad the man them. What you not say to me? So you're mad off me brother with your bumper.
Listen what me I say.
Cause you have another man. Hey.
Yeah, listen what me I say now.
What you say?
Me no mad your brother. You hear me I tell her? Your brother needs to learn for militant. And that he need to learn to do a whole up in stress. Me not tell him to drop in guard and mad. Me never tell him that.
So hold on them. Me never know say my brother have some stress when he did put on, when he need to hold up.
He need to hold up in stress. He want good girl. Hey. For me mad brother. Me look like me walk around a mad man?
So I say you come down. I say you come down, take all of my brother money, mad him out and say he need to hold up in stress.
That me say.
The stress when my brother have when he need to hold up. Eh? Are you?
Me.
Yes.
Me.
You are the biggest stress in my brother life. You is the biggest stress in my brother life. When you need to hold up. Or maybe you hold up already, you need to put it down.
Your brother not no sense.
A lie.
None at all.
Me never know.
He not have.
I never
Me
know.
never hold him and take nothing from him, you know.
I'm
I
just
want
here.
rub down your brother, you know.
And you get that?
And you look palm my nice screen bumper, you know. And a problem.
Lie.
Oh,
And you get everything.
everything. Me never hold no gun in head and take him. None whatsoever.
Me you say my brother go out and you put things in a drink. And he drink it. And he just a fuck out money
Hello,
at you.
hello, let me tell you this.
I just say my fuck
Not
out
tell
money
a lie
at you.
for me.
I mean,
No
I tell
tell
you,
no lie
your name
for me.
Stinker Road, Bumper. How your name? I mean name Bumper. Me can name Bumper? No, you no look for me good. Jesus Christ, says a wicked woman. I mean name Bumper are you? So I mad my brother and take away money? Me ear say, you put something in a liquor or a juice or whatever, I was not there. Where me they tell like on you? I want to hear me they tell you me love. What make you do that?
Hear what me I tell you.
If you do it for true, why you do it?
Listen to me. I don't do that. Ear say can't go up there. So now come here so with the ear say. Imagine you hear me on my phone and have my conversation. You don't know who me at. Me they call name? Eh? Me said this body mad the man them. You don't know who me at.
And as me come, right? As me come and suggest something to you, you don't tell me say me fi make my brother take up in stress. Eh? Eh? Hold up in stress.
That me say.
But you are the stress. You burn me because you take my brother money, hope and put it in and drink and take away everything we have. I know him mad.
Let me
You
ask
don't
you
tell me
something.
say, this mad demand them.
Me look like Obia Water?
Yes.
Me look like me I got Obia man?
You don't look like it.
Me say if you,
You are it.
if you never want big woman,
You are
I'll
it.
pitch you over there so.
You don't want to try.
You're not afraid me walk Obia for you?
Walk it for me. The
You're
blood
not
of Jesus
afraid.
again. So because
You're
you
not
will read
afraid.
my Bible and go down for me knee. If you a liar, they tell back to the sender anything we have in your stupid mind. And whatever you do to me, brother, wait. Me not have to do nothing with me and them. Me have mouth and knee if you
You
kneel
should
down
have
and
tell
talk
your
and
brother,
to
I'm not
God.
gonna repeat myself. You should have tell him to hold up in stress.
Why you never lock for your foot when you see my brother money?
Me don't get your brother money already. And set myself.
So we on the
get a
bumper, where
house. You know see me come out here rent house.
What you
You
know?
know see? Your brother build house give me. You know see? Eh? I never hold up your brother and take it, you know. I never force him to do it, you know. He do it out of goodness and heart. But in time expire now, I don't mean send him go mad. In
Bumper.
time up.
You listen to yourself, you know, say it's a wicked girl. Then somebody do something out of the goodness of their heart for you.
Eh?
You look
I
so.
know me kill Jesus, so me no wicked.
You look so. You look like you was on one of the left or on the right. Yes, you're wicked. Because somebody do something out of the goodness of their heart for you. And you're mad them.
Me?
Karma. I know bumper your name is Karma. Karma go reach you. Don't worry yourself. Karma have to reach you. Karma have to reach you. Karma have to reach you. And everything we take away from your brother. In the name of Jesus, you're going to lose it. Karma go reach you. But this mad demand them. I hope you're mad one another man. Mad all of the man them where you can mad. I hope I know my brother alone you go mad. But look out. The man them where they mad. At this mad demand them.
I know me tell you if you not have nothing for mad man.
Oh, me don't want to have nothing for mad. Nobody go and pick me.
What tell people say no wicked, I might please up your pile. I give you something for chat ball. Tell your brother to hold up his stress. How should I pop your neck? Boy, me mad your brother. Me did tell your brother say if he spend money, eh? I rub him down 2 little time and that fly up in her head. Kind of want tickers. Bobo.
Yeah, man. Glory be to the Most High. Give thanks to life, burn it down to the ground. Yeah, man. Give thanks to all the people that have been supporting the movements from that time to this time. You know, it's an old show. And we just all a reason. Yeah? Because you know it go. If we not do it, who go do it? Right?
So enough respect from that time to this time. Well appreciate you. All I know, you know what I mean? We're up on the road to 100K. You know what I mean? And you know I go. At the end of the day, we have to give thanks. You know what I mean? So we have a movie I come up still to showcase some achievements and some things that, you know, we get. We not really get to do the movie yet. So I didn't want to unleash anything yet. But when a movie come out, you see it. Alright? So big up all of the sponsor them, all the producer them from a long time. Big up Auntie Bev, you know what I mean? Big up yourself, you know it go. Big up Jews, you know what I mean? All Damian, everybody from that time till this time. You know what I mean? Because we're up on the road, I fight a war, to do something that has never been done. You know what I mean? And we've been doing something that has never been done. You know what I mean? Like so much movie out of Jamaica at the same time. You know what I mean? So as you can see, there's a lot of movie coming out on a regular now because we have given a lot of different people channels so them can express them own self in their own time. You know what I mean? So some people say it's a bad move, some would say it's a good move, but it's just a move. We just do it. And you gone, you know, we just do it. So we have a vision, you know what I mean? A real vision of where the thing must go. You know what I mean? So it's an uphill fight and it's not easy, but not in life come easy. And we are Jamaicans, so we know, say, from birth, it has been a war to survive. Just as we speak, people are dying. People are crying. So this is the real Jamaica. It's, if you're a tourist, when you come and you're up on the beach and this, you're in a luxury. But when you come out in a real world, you face real situation, real life, real hardship, you know what I mean? Real separation, you know what I mean? So, we are fighting to change that for as much people as possible. So, one of the things that we beat we don't have a next platform so we can make an extra money. Because it takes money to do what we do, to run the thing on a daily basis and to the food. Yo, you know when I once say to a girl, say, oh, girl, I'd rather clothe you than feed you because it take more money to eat than to clothes. You can buy one clothes and you work and you wear 100 times, but when you prepare a plate of food, you eat one time and you need to eat it 3-4 times before the day done. You know what I mean? So you take what you take and you go do what you do. So well appreciated the whole movements of the beginning. Or we used to get like sponsors. But of lately, you look like the world I feel it just like how I feel it. So we don't really have no hard feelings. We just wish things went better for you out there in the world who would contribute to the development of the thing. So nevertheless, we still are putting the best we can do. So bear with us some of the time if you know put in as much work and if things not perfect, because we're not trying to play perfect. We're trying to do our best and one day it go happen. You know what I mean? So but we not give up and put on the thing. We are fight with the thing. So it's not easy none at all to do what we do. So I one will sit down and say this, then quit to the judge and quit to say this, but at the end of the day, it's not an easy road. It has been a long road. You know what I mean? And there is something good coming out of it. And that's the greatest part of it. You know what I mean? I've talked to countless people, you know what I mean, where it helped them. Because I can tell you personally, when I was sick in 2017, right? We have acid reflux, bad acid reflux when I feel real sick and thing. It was like movies that really helped to calm my nerve, take mind off of the sickness to make me kind of recover faster. So the movie that I would watch like soft movie, look at drama, look at this, no gun shooting or nothing, just drama, the stories and
it calm you and give you something to laugh about. The more I laugh, the more I forget, and you know what I mean. So till we are here now, where it's not as bad as that. You know, it is a slow process. Acid reflux is known why. So you know it go. Who have it? Know it go. It based upon how you eat and thing. You know what I mean? So we just give thanks, and we're upon the road to 100k, and to subscribe is free. I've been saying that all day, but okay, but we're there still, you know what I mean? So we're upon the road at 100k, almost did about 1,000 or more, and then we did it, you know what I mean? So I've been putting in the work from that time, so I feel good in myself, you know, so we do it, you know what I mean? Because we could have do something different, but instead we choose to use our talent, you know what I mean, that we have left, because we're not left in a place here. So the talent is that we have left, so we use it to push forward, you know what I mean? So with that said, it has been a long road, and we're still fighting to get where we need to go, you know? This has been a long road, get there, well, life is just a living. Go and get what you need. You can't have no doubt in your mind. Cause first you have to believe. We only have one life to live and I know about another one. I just got to make it and know about another man. If the first plan failed, then me find another one. Can't give in for the battlefield, cause the battle must be won. Well, when me see my face, I don't know where I'm coming from. I build my house on the rock, not on the sun. On this place, cause you better watch out where you stand. Watch out where you stand. Cause enough of them, my friend, but them are sinking sand. But life is just for living. Go and get what you need. Can't have no doubt in your mind. Cause first you have to believe. From your belief, me I tell you, say you win long time. Can't catch me off guard. Me no fear mankind. I escape just to cure my mind. Off it tough in a diggy and to get your shine. To kill them one and brother, them bold and brave. Trap minimum wage is the poor, are still slave. Them no one say, them want see earth and grave. For the younger generation, no road, them not pave. But life is just a living. Go and get what you need. Can't have no doubt in your mind. Cause first you have to believe. Yeah man, glory be to the most. I give thanks to life. I love our vibes, you know. So this is one I think I love to do. I love to sing, you know what I mean? So fortunately we never really get to the chance to really do much tonight. That is a very hard road. Enough artists are Jamaica, you know. So when I say that, them know it's not an easy road, you know what I mean? But give thanks because it's a thing what I do to feel good in myself. So me damn yeah, but just sing some songs same way, you know what I mean? And feel good, you know what I mean? That's life, you know what I mean? So big up to all the people in the world, burn it down to the ground. Take what you take and go do what you do. And when you catch 100k, go come across the island. Go have some giveaway or something. Some go on to celebrate the journey. Cause it has been a long road. Yeah, get there. It has been a long road. Some know, some don't know. But who there from day one, stay strong. And who knew, yeah man, we are dependent on you. Let's go. Yeah man, push thing. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. Anyway, at night, you know. So, you know where you go. I have some work I go and deal with today. Because when I stop work, you know, no day after the pay off. You know what I mean? We should have some fun in the future though. We want to pay off, we can't live good. My message to the world still and to Jamaicans. Please, live good now. Because we can find a way to live good. And we can push each other and understand each other. You know what I mean? And know so we're in this war together. Because it's really a war, you know. We war amongst ourselves, we war amongst every little thing. But let us try find a way to make it work. You know what I mean? Without the fighting against each other. Let's change the narrative and start, you know what I mean, communicate and lift up each other. You know what I mean? It kind of seems like it's a road for Chad, where we fight against each other and tell each other to what them fi do and what they not fi do. And you understand? We need to find a next way where we can push each other forward, encourage us. Yeah man, do it yo, you can do it. And give that courage. Alright, when I just start the music, you know, it's one individual reason why I did them. Because we did feel down in our music and I said, boy, I must say, yo, give me a encouragement and say, yo, you're a star. You know what I mean? You value something, yo, do it. And when he said to me, he kind of give me so I continue doing it. And after that, I can recall do a song on the Lollipop rhythm back in the days. And without me go to the street, I go to the club, I go to where the party there, my song I play straight through. You know what I mean? Them time I feel like me almost boss. You know what I mean? So me know that encouragement go a long way. You know what I mean? So at the end of the day, we are doing Jamaica. You know what I mean? And we're not perfect. And we're not trying to be perfect. But we're trying to reach somewhere. We're trying to be better. But one day we will get there. So we're just a fight the war. Because I never start, yeah, so. It start when we take 6 months to do one by one. Then we take 1 month to do carelessness. Then when we would fly down, we take about 2 weeks for those they come up. You know what I mean? And then the list come from us. So then we start the YouTube. And we start the YouTube about 3 years or 2.5 years, you know. You know what I mean? And we did go and do it. So we can cut movie all not 2 days. We can do a movie 1 day. We can shoot out one full movie. We can get it for watch because you know how it go. But we want to reach the stage part. When I did them, we take back to basic and now we take a 6 month do a movie. A big movie, big budget, you know what I mean? And we can get it in the real place them, you know what I mean? So Jamaican can be proud of us, of what we have done. So follow us on the journey. Please follow us, you know what I mean? Pray for us too because Jamaica is a place like that. You don't know what tomorrow bring, but we're hoping for the best though. If bad can come, make good come, please Jah. Oh Jah, watch over my shoulders. Oh, watch over my shoulders and hear my cry. Next time my people, one love all the time man. You know what I mean? Burn it down.